Embarking on goat farming can be an immensely rewarding venture. Goats serve multiple purposes, from providing meat to aiding in land clearing, and their milk is renowned for its exceptional nutritional value. In this episode, we talk about the important considerations for beginners in the world of goat keeping. Welcome to Farmers Diary Africa. Number 1. Housing and fencing. Your foremost concern is providing a secure and dry shelter that shields goats from harsh weather conditions. This shelter must be well ventilated and maintained for cleanliness. Additionally, sturdy fencing around the grazing area is vital. Goats are notorious for their ability to escape, so the fencing needs to be robust and secure. Number 2. Nutrition and feeding. Just like any other domesticated animal, a goat's well-being is significantly influenced by its diet. Ensure a balanced diet, which includes high-quality hay, fresh water, and formulated feed. Goats, being browsers, love foraging, so ensuring access to suitable pastures or forages is essential. Supplement their diet with necessary mineral supplements for their overall health and development. Number 3. Health and care. Regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations are critical to maintaining the health of your goats. Keep a vigilant eye out for common ailments such as parasites, hoof issues, and infections. Timely treatment is key. Additionally, if you have expectant goats, prepare in advance for kidding season by setting up kidding pens and being ready to offer assistance if needed. Number 4. Herd management. Understanding the social dynamics within the herd is important. Allocate sufficient space for each goat and manage interactions within the herd. For those interested in the nutritious benefits of goat milk, establish milking and breeding schedules, paying close attention to the specific needs of pregnant or lactating ones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful farming content. Until next time, wishing you success in your goat farming endeavors.